Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Mickey in the Cloud. And then we have Liila's garden tea party. Yes! I'm so excited, guys. Ready? Satisfying. Pull tab, be satisfying. Yes! Daddy, it was satisfying.
Yeah.
I didn't break the box. I want sunset glow. It's a big bag. Like, dang. I want sunset glow or the secret. Let's go, guys. It didn't open it. I got sunset glow! I got the one I wanted. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Guys, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, I got the one I wanted. Dad, we're definitely keeping this. Look. She's so pretty. Look at her. She's so pretty with her little pants. Okay, tea party garden. Dad, guess what? I think it's the same brand of Baby 3. The exact same thing happened. Oh, that's one way to do it. I'm excited. I want either raspberry mouse or happy peach snake, which is a secret. Hey guys, it didn't open it. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, wait, hold on. Who is this? This one is Juiceberry. Juiceberry's adorable. Oh my gosh. Guys, she's so cute. I love her so much. Guys, she's adorable. And that's it for today, guys. Please like and subscribe, please. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!